Meaning of incontestably.
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 Incontestably. Incontestably is an adverb that means something cannot be contested or disputed, it is unquestionable. For instance, if a team wins a match by a score of 10-0, it can be said that they won incontestably because their victory was clear and unchallenged. The word emphasizes the idea that the outcome was beyond any doubt or debate, and therefore, cannot be questioned or challenged. It is often used to describe situations where there is no room for argument or speculation, as the evidence or facts are overwhelmingly in support of one side.